Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all my students. Okay, so we continue our discussion of chapter 1. Previously, we looked into recall the first lecture of 105 for this topic, definition and also introduction of discrete random variables. Okay, from probability distribution function to a cumulative distribution function. Okay, now from the same recall topic here, discrete random variables. Now we're going to calculate the expectation, or in other words, is a mean. We come up, okay, we write down represent by the sign of mu and variance of discrete random variables. So from variance, we can also find the standard deviation, where standard deviation is square root of variance. Okay. So if x is a discrete random variable with probability of distribution function of px, then the expected value of random variable x is mean of x and usually denoted by ex. Okay, so these two symbols means bring the same meaning here, is a mean of the x. And if gx is a function of discrete random variable x, then this one here. Expected of the gx equal to gx multiplied summation of gx multiplied with the probability. And for variance and standard deviation, variance equal to, okay, with a symbol of we call sigma squared equal to e times we call x squared minus ex, the mean in bracket square. Okay, so we're going to look at the, so we call the step of getting this for all the examples in this video. Okay, and also we call properties of expected and variance. Expected of function of ax plus b minus b equal to a. Expected of x plus or minus b, and for variance it is a squared variant x. Okay, so this is one of the example given to you here now. When x equal to 1, 2, and 3, the probability given here is x equal to 1, which is 2 over 7. Probability of x equal to 2, it is 4 over 7. And the probability of x equal to 3, it is 1 over 7. So let's find out we call all the solution of this, we call solve one by one here, mean of x. Okay, so I rewrite everything here again. X and probability of x equal to an x. Okay, which is 1, 2, and 3. 2 over 7, 4 over 7, and 1 over 7. So to make sure that the summation of all the probabilities, it must be equal to 1. So let's double check here now. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7 over 7. Then it is equal to 1. Okay, that's it. It's just a trial to see whether all the probabilities are valid for for discrete random variables here. Okay, so to find the mean or ex equal to, okay, x equal to 1 multiplied with the probability of itself, which is 2 over 7, plus x equal to 2 multiplied with its probability, which is 4 over 7, and 3, x equal to 3 multiplied with its probability, which is 1 over 7. Okay, so 1 times 2 equal to 2, 2 times 4 equal to an 8, 3 times 1 equal to 3, 8 plus 3 equal to 11, plus 2 equal to 13, which is 13 over 7. There you go. Okay, and then the next question is EX squared. What's the meaning of this? Okay, BEX squared equal to the value of x. We squared the value of x 1, 2, and 3. 1 square multiplied with its probability, which is 2 over 7. 2 squared. Okay, 2 squared multiplied with its probability, which is 4 over 7. And then 3 squared multiplied with its probability, which is 1 over 7. 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2 over 7. 2 squared equal to 4. 4 times 4 equal to 16 over 7. 3 squared equal to 9 times 1 equal to 9 over 7. So 16 plus 9 is 25 plus 2 equal to 27 over 7. There you go. Okay, now to find the variance of x. Okay, please do remember this. Okay, to find the variance of x, the term of EX squared minus EX in bracket squared. Okay, it is where x squared, x represents, recall, we look at the value of x here. Okay, 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared here. Okay, minus EX, and this EX we refer to this 13 over 7. So E bracket of x squared here 27 over 7 minus EX in bracket square. EX is 13 over 7. 13 over 7 in bracket square. Okay, so you may use your calculator to solve this question then, and it will give you 20 over 49. Okay, so now the final question for first example 1, standard deviation of x. Standard deviation of x equal to square root of variance, which is square root of 20 divided by 49, and it is equal to 2 square root of 5 divided by square root of 49 equal to 7. Okay. Example 2. A discrete random variable x has the following probability distribution here. So find the value of t if the mean equal to 4. Find this one here, variance, and this. Okay, class. Find the value of t if mean equal to 4. It already gave you the value of mean, where mean is EX, or in other we call symbol, which is mu here. So EX or mu equal to 4 is already given here now. So then find this. Okay, solution here. Rewrite we call the table of this as our reference. Okay, so then x and probability of x equal to an x. It is 1, 2, and t. This is 0.1, 0.2, and 0.7. The mean equal to 4. The mean equal to 4. EX equal to 4. Meaning it is a summation of x multiplied with probability of x equal to an x. So in first one here now, it is 1x equal to 1. X equal to 1 multiplied with this probability of 0.1. 2 times with this probability of 0.2 plus with t times its probability 0.7. Okay, so these two come up with 0.1 plus 0.4 plus 0.7 t equal to 1 here. Okay, no, the mean equal to 4, sorry, it meant equal to 4. 0.1 plus 0.4, 0.5, 0.7 t equal to these two. 4 minus 0.5 equal to 3.5, then t equal to 5. Okay, and then question B, E 3x plus 2. Okay, so for this one here now, equal to B expected of x plus 2. So 3, this one is already given here, expected of x equal to 4. 3 times 4 plus 2. So 3 times 4 equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Okay, C. What's the question of C just now? Find variant of x. So before we can find the variant of x, we already given here ex. So remember this, it is expected of e power ex squared minus expected of x in bracket squared. So this value, e expected of x, is given already in the question here, which is equal to 4. We need to find this. So then, find this first. Equal to, okay, x square, which is 1 square, multiplied with its probability of 0.1. Then x equal to 2. So 2 square times its probability of 0.2. And plus the value of t just now, which is equal to 5. So then 5 square times the probability of 0.7. Okay, so what about this one here now? It is 0.1. 1 square times 0.1 is 1. 2 square equal to 4 times 0.2 plus 0.8. And 5 square is 25 times 0.7, which is 17.5. And it is equal to, okay, wait. Okay, so 5 squared is 25 times with 0.7. Okay, 17.5 plus 0.8 plus 0.1. Okay, 18.4. Okay, it's not the answers yet, because we need this value to substitute here, okay, to find the variance of x. So then variance of x equal to ex squared 18.4 minus expected of x equal to 4. 4 squared equal to 16. So 18.4 minus 16, 2.4. Okay, so then variance, okay, the third question D, variance of 1 minus 3x. Okay, so for this one here now, it is, take this, variance of 1 equal to 0, variance of negative 3x, take this negative 3 squared, and variance of x. Variance of x equal to 2.4. Okay, so negative 3 squared equal to 9, and variance of x is 2.4 equal to 21.6. Example 3, if ex equal to negative 205, find the constant of a and b. Okay. So expected of x, negative 2 times a plus 0 times b, okay, the value of x multiplied with this probability, value of x multiplied with this probability, and 3 here. 3 multiplied with its probability of 3, 1 over 5, 0 times b equal to 0. So it is negative 2 over 5. Then, what else? Negative 2a plus 3 over 5 equal to negative 2 over 5. Negative 2a equal to positive, here become negative, so negative 2 over 5. Negative 2 minus 3, negative 5, 5, negative 1. Then a equal to 1 over 2. Okay, a equal to 1 over 2. So in your examination question, during your examination, you need to copy all this what we call table again, and recall you do have to write down a and slash e, just something like this. So you just straightly write down 1 over 2. Okay, and what a is 1 over 2. By the way, summation of all the probabilities of x equal to 1, meaning probability of x equal to negative 2 plus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to negative 2, 0, and 3 equal to 1. Okay, where a is 1 over 2 plus with b plus with here 1 over 5 equal to 1. Okay, b plus, okay, between 1 over 2 and 1 over 5, make this as a we call fraction with 1 over 10. So 2 times 5, so then 1 times 5 equal to 5. 5 times 2, so 1 times 2 equal to 2, meaning it is 7 over 10 equal to 1. Then b equal to 1 minus 1 minus 7 over 10, or 10 over 10 minus 7 over 10, 3 over 10. So b is 3 over 10. Okay. Okay, so that's it. This is the probability of this discrete random variable s given as follows. Find the value of a and b, and given expected equal to negative 2 over 5. The question said, the question wants us to find the constant of a and b. That's all. Okay. So to find the constant of a, since that the value of x is negative 2, 0, and 3, so use this formula. Expected of x is a x multiplied with its probability, okay, equal to negative 2 over 5, as mentioned here. Then find out the value of a. To find the value of b, use this we call definition of discrete random variables. The summation of all probabilities equal to 1. So substitute here, probability of x equal to negative 2, which is 1 over 2. Probability of x equal to 0 equal to b. Okay, and probability of x equal to 3, that is equal to 1 over 5, equal to 1. So simplify this, then you get b equal to 3 over 10. That's it. Okay. So exercise, which I think that I let all of you to try the question by yourself. Okay. All these answers is provided here. So why don't you try to solve all this, and best of luck. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.